write part. Okay, think and write part, and its lesson objective is to learn about article writing. To learn about article writing. So today we are going to learn about article writing. What is the format of article writing and what is an article writing? Students, an article may be written on the topics of interest of the writer or some current issues. Okay, and it is published in newspapers or magazines. Okay, so that a large number of people can read it and it creates an impact on them. Okay, it creates an impact on them and it is published in newspaper or magazines. Okay students, today we are starting article writing. So take out your course books everyone. Let's start. Okay students, today I am explaining you an article writing. Think and write, writing an article. You must have seen or read articles in newspaper or a magazine. Students, whatever you read in the newspaper, these are the articles. Okay, and they may be written on the topic of interest of the writer or may be related to some current issues. They are published in a newspaper or magazine so that large number of people can read them. The main motive behind writing an article is that it should make an impact on the people. Okay, an article can describe an experience, event, person or place. Next point is present an opinion or argument. Next is compare and contrast things. Next is provide information about something. And last is your offer suggestions. Okay, this is clear to all. An article can describe an experience, event, person or place, present an opinion or argument, compare and contrast things, provide information about something, offer suggestions. Okay everyone, I hope this is clear to you all. Now I am going to tell you article writing requires the writer to do what? Now see what is given on the next page. Article writing requires the writer to choose a topic or gather accurate information from reliable sources of information. Next is choose a point of view and organize ideas. Draw a mind map and frame questions. Okay. Begin with a quote or something unusual to catch readers' attention. Divide the article into 3 parts. This is very important students. Whenever you write the article, you have to divide your article in 3 parts. First should be introduction, then main body, and last is conclusion. Okay, in first part you have to give introduction of the topic, what is that, and then main body and then conclusion. Okay, so let's try 9 is now you have discussed your opinion about the best place to live using the above mind map on page 80. Write an article in your notebook about the same for your school magazine. Okay, now students, you have to write an article about the best place to live. Okay, so here is a mind map. In your article you have to write that where would you like to live. Okay, name and the location of the place. This is your introduction. Okay everyone, this is your introduction. And then what do you like the most about the place and other benefits of living there. This is your main body. This is your main body. Now at the end you have to write your conclusion part. Okay, clear to everyone? Okay. Again I am telling you, in your title, first you have to give the title of your article, means the heading you can say, and it should be attractive so that the reader's attentions so that the reader take interest in your article. Next is introduction. In introduction you have to use one or two sentences and you have to give answers of these two questions: where would you like to live, and mention location and name of the place. Then in main body you have to write 2 to 3 paragraphs in which you have to cover what do you like the most about that place. Okay, benefits of living at that place, you can write 2 to 3 benefits, and then the challenges that one would face there. Okay, this will be in your main body. Then the conclusion will come. In conclusion you will give your opinion. Clear to all? So you have to write, students, article on best place to live. In title, first you have to give the title, like we can see that every chapter is having the heading now, like this chapter is having the heading Taming of Everest. Okay, so same you have to do, you have to give the heading. Then intro part will start, then main body will come, then conclusion. And in intro part you have to write where would you like to live, mention location and the name of the place. Then in main body you have to write the benefits of living at that place, or what do you like the most about the place, and challenges that one would face there. Okay, and then in conclusion part you have to summarize the topic, or you can give your final opinion. I hope this is clear to everyone. Now students, I am showing you one example of article writing, how to write. So listen carefully, watch carefully, because I am going to explain you through one example. Okay students, here I am showing you one example of article. Education policies in school today are students friendly. Now the move is on to do away with school uniform. You are Anamika or Anand studying in Kendriya Vidyalaya. Write an article on uniform are essential in schools. Using these inputs given and use your own ideas. Now hints. The uniform help in identification. These are the hints. Maintain uniformity, no disparity among students. A school is a place where there is no class distinction, a cause for distraction. Students from various strata of society cannot afford new dresses every day. Uniforms help in identifying schools. It is a brand name. Uniform are essential in schools. Now see students, here I have written the title, uniform are essential in schools. In many countries, uniform are not essential in schools and students to come dressed in casuals. According to these schools, they are being student friendly. What these schools don't realize is that they can student friendly even if students are wearing uniform. Uniform help in identification and maintain uniformity among students instead of disparity. After all, a school is a place where there should be no class distinction. Okay, where there should be no class distinction. If students are allowed to come dressed in what they like, it would lead to class distinction. Secondly, it would be the cause of distraction, as children would comment on each other's clothes. Students from the various strata of society cannot afford to wear new dresses every day, which could lead to an inferiority complex in them. School uniform should be made essential in schools as it helps in identifying schools and act as its brand name. Okay, this is my conclusion. School uniforms should be made essential in schools as it helps in identifying schools and acts as its brand name. Okay, this is the title and this is the intro part, and now from here the main body is there. Okay, again I am reading, in many countries uniforms are not essential in schools and students to come dressed in casuals. According to these schools, they are being student friendly. What these schools don't realize is that they can student friendly even if students are wearing uniform. Uniform help in identification and maintain uniformity among students instead of disparity. After all, a school is a place where there should be no class distinction. If students are allowed to come dressed in what they like, it would lead to class distinctions. Secondly, it would be the cause of distraction as children would Secondly, it would be the cause of distraction as children would comment on each other's clothes. Students from the Venice strata of society cannot afford to wear new dresses every day, which could lead to an inferiority complex in them. School uniform should be made essential in schools as it helps in identifying schools and acts as its brand name. Okay, so this is the article writing. I hope this is clear to all. Now I am showing you a second example of article writing. More than 90% of people agrees that being part of a team is one of the best things about their work. Working in a team is a challenge, but our poll results indicate that most people are unhappy and working in teams are intolerant of any changes in group structure. Take help of the points given below and write the article for your school magazine on how to get the best out of a team. Working in a team, healer and stress buster. Team, everybody work towards a common goal. Effective communication between team members. Strong leadership. Avoid conflicts. Focus on the goal. Respect for other competencies. Avoid negativity, set good example. So here I have given the heading of the article, team spirit must for victory. Okay, because this is the article related to team. So team spirit must for victory. Working in a team is generally believed to bring out the best in an individual and can be very effective. This is because teamwork can be both a healer as well as stress buster. Now this is my now main body. Working in a team, this is the introduction first. Working in a team is generally believed to bring out the best in an individual and can be very effective. This is because teamwork can be both a healer as well as stress buster. Okay, a healer as well as stress buster. Each members work towards a set target, and if communication is effective, it can be really fruitful as everyone is striving towards the same goal. For good teamwork, conflicts and negative attitude should be discouraged. For good teamwork, conflicts and negative attitude should be discouraged. It should be made clear to one and all that they are playing for the team and not for themselves as individuals. If they have respect for one another, it can improve their creativity. They will then realize that being a part of team is the best thing about their work. Okay, if they have respect for one another, it can improve their creativity. They will then realize that being a part of a team is the best thing about their work. This is the conclusion. So students, I have given you two examples. I hope this will help you in writing the creative writings. Okay, so you have to first give the title, then your introduction part in 1 or 2 lines, then main body in 2 to 3 paragraphs, means in total you can say that 7 to 8 lines, and then conclusion again in 1 to 2 lines. Okay, clear to all? Now students, you have to do my turn 3, my turn 5. You have just returned after climbing a hill with your friends. Write an article in your notebook about your experience for your school magazine covering the following points. Okay, first is, so students, what you have to do, you have to write an article for your school magazine in which you have to write that you have just returned after climbing a hill with your friends. So what you have to write in your article, these points you have to cover. Why did you choose that hill? What was the height of the hill? How did you prepare for the climb? How was the view from the top? What was there at the summit? A monument, a fort, a forested area, or anything else? These are the examples. Like, what was there at the summit? You can pick any one thing from that: monument or a fort or a forested area or anything else. Okay, clear everyone? How did you feel after the climb? Now you have to do this. You have to cover all these points in your article. I hope this is clear to all. Again, I am telling you students, an article may be written on topics of interest of the writer or some current issues. Okay, and it is published in newspaper or magazines so that large number of people can read it and it creates an impact on them. Okay, so I hope you have understood about the article writing, how to write. Okay, now I'm moving on my practice makes perfect sheet, which is given in your PV. So what you have to do students, this practice exercise should be done by the students independently after completing the chapter. Here you have to write the meaning of apparatus. Okay, and then you have to make a sentence. First you have to write the meaning, and then here you have to make a sentence. Okay everyone, filling the blanks with past perfect tense. Students, this is a fill up, and in bracket the verb is given, and you have to fill past perfect tense. Manoj and Vikas dash each other for a long time. Manoj and Vikas dash each other for a long time, and the verb is know, K-N-O-W. Okay. Now next is filling the blanks with future perfect tense. In this fill up you have to fill future perfect tense. Farmers dash the land before first shower. Option, your verb is harvest, and you have to fill future perfect tense. Farmers dash the land before first shower. Okay, verb is harvest. Rewrite the below sentence in past perfect tense. You have to rewrite this sentence in past perfect. Okay, this is what, this is the second form of wear. We wore coats before going out. Now you have to change this verb into past perfect tense. I hope this is clear to everyone. You have to change this verb into past perfect tense. Next is rewrite the below sentence in future perfect tense. You have to rewrite this sentence in future perfect. Manu will finish his school next year. Manu will finish his school next year. And students, you have to change this sentence into future perfect tense. Clear everyone? Again I am telling you, in first question you have to write the meaning of apparatus here, and then you have to make a sentence, okay, using this word. Next is, in next question you have to fill past perfect tense. Verb is given in the bracket no. Now here you have to write past perfect tense. Okay, Next is, in this fill up you have to fill future perfect tense. Your verb is harvest. Okay. Next is this, you have to change this sentence into past perfect tense. You have to change this sentence into past perfect tense. Next is, you have to rewrite this sentence in future perfect tense. Students, this is your simple future will finish. You have to change this will finish into future perfect tense. Okay, you have to change this will finish. These two words you have to change into future perfect tense. I hope this is clear to everyone. Okay, then you have to do it in your PB. This practice makes perfect. If your homework is, you have to do next one 9, okay, in notebook, this article writing, and 9 and 5 is also your article writing, which you have to do in your notebook. Practice makes perfect sheet, which is given in PB, you have to do in PB only, okay, but these two questions you have to do in your notebook. Okay everyone, if you have any doubt students, you can message me, and today positively you have to send your homework. Okay everyone, thank you and have a nice day.